Thinking about buying a Tesla? In 2025, it's almost entirely an online experience. This guide walks you through the updated step by step process from configuring your dream car to final delivery. We'll cover everything you need to know to navigate Tesla's streamlined online platform and get behind the wheel of your new EV. The first step in buying your Tesla online is vehicle configuration and customization. Start by visiting Tesla.com, where you can choose from 5 exciting models. On the Tesla website, you'll see the Model S for luxury driving, the Model X with its unique Falcon doors, the Model 3 for everyday performance, the Model Y crossover, and the futuristic Cybertruck pickup. Now the fun begins with customization. Start with paint color. Tesla offers options like pearl white, deep blue, stealth gray, and more, each adding to the base price. Next, customize wheels with sizes from 19 to 22 inches and choose interior options like all black leather, cream, or white. Add premium audio for enhanced driving experience. Don't forget add-ons like full self-driving, which costs an additional $10,000 to $15,000, depending on the package. It provides advanced autonomous driving capabilities. Finally, use augmented reality previews on the Tesla website to see your customized vehicle in real-world environments, helping you make the perfect choice. Tesla displays the base price for each vehicle model, which is the starting point for your purchase. This price includes the basic vehicle with standard features, but you'll need to add any customizations you select. Remember to factor in additional costs like taxes, registration fees, and delivery charges. These vary by location and are calculated automatically on Tesla's website based on your shipping destination. You may qualify for incentives that can reduce your total cost. In the US, the federal EV tax credit offers up to $7,500 for qualifying electric vehicles. Tesla's website helps determine your eligibility based on income and other factors. When comparing total ownership costs, Teslas often save money over time despite higher upfront prices. Consider fuel savings and lower maintenance compared to gas vehicles. Explore payment options to fit your budget. You can pay in full with cash or use Tesla financing with competitive rates starting at 2 to 4% APR for qualified buyers. Leasing is also available for flexible ownership. Tesla's website integrates seamlessly with banks for loan approvals and digital wallets for easy deposits. You'll need to provide a refundable deposit of $100 to $1,000 to secure your order. Once you're satisfied with your Tesla's configuration, the next step is placing your order. Start by adding the vehicle to your cart on the Tesla website. Then, carefully review the terms and conditions before proceeding. This ensures you understand the pricing, warranties, and delivery details. When ready, submit your order by clicking the Submit button. Tesla will process your request immediately. After submission, you'll receive an order number and email confirmation containing all the details of your purchase. Tesla requires a refundable deposit, typically between $100 and $1,000, to reserve your vehicle and secure your spot in the production queue. This deposit holds your vehicle until final payment and delivery arrangements are completed. Tesla offers flexible delivery options to make getting your new vehicle as convenient as possible. You can choose home delivery, where Tesla brings the vehicle directly to you, or pick it up at a nearby service center or delivery center. For pickup, visit a Tesla service center or delivery center. These modern facilities are designed for efficiency, and in some areas, you may need to complete final paperwork in person. Use Tesla's location finder to choose the most convenient spot. Once you receive your Tesla, activation happens remotely. Tesla technicians handle the digital setup, ensuring your vehicle is ready to drive without any manual configuration. Finally, schedule supercharger training through the Tesla app. This guided session teaches you how to use Tesla's extensive charging network while driving, including finding stations and optimizing your route. When buying a Tesla online, it's crucial to understand the legal and regulatory considerations that vary by location. In the United States, most states permit online vehicle sales, but some require notarized documents for financing or other paperwork. For example, certain states may need in-person verification for loan agreements. Outside the US, Tesla adheres to each country's regulations. This includes complying with local electric vehicle incentives, such as tax credits and rebates, as well as import duties and customs requirements. For example, in Canada, federal and provincial incentives can reduce the cost of a Tesla by thousands of dollars. To ensure a smooth buying experience, take time to understand the legal requirements and incentives available in your area before completing your online order. Take advantage of Tesla's real-time inventory tracking to find vehicles available sooner. The website shows live availability across different locations, helping you avoid long wait times for popular models. Use the trade-in estimator for an instant appraisal of your current car. Tesla's online tool integrates with third-party services to provide quick valuations, making it easier to trade in your vehicle and reduce the overall cost of your new Tesla. Be aware of potential website outages during peak ordering periods. Tesla's site can experience high traffic, especially during new model launches or promotional events. Plan to place your order during off-peak hours to avoid disruptions. Explore Tesla Flex for a monthly subscription option. This service allows you to access Tesla vehicles without full ownership, paying a monthly fee that includes insurance, maintenance, and supercharger access. It's ideal for those wanting flexibility without long-term commitment. Following these tips can help ensure a smoother online buying experience with Tesla, from finding available inventory to exploring flexible payment options. The future of buying Teslas online is shaped by emerging trends that prioritize digital integration, sustainability, and innovative technologies. Expect AI-powered features that predict delivery times based on current demand and inventory. These systems will also provide personalized financing recommendations tailored to your credit profile and preferences. Sustainability remains a key focus, with Tesla incorporating more recycled materials into vehicle production. This includes recycled metals and plastics, helping reduce environmental impact while maintaining vehicle performance. Looking ahead, blockchain integration may secure online transactions and introduce NFT-like digital certificates for vehicle ownership. This could streamline transfers and provide verifiable proof of ownership in the digital marketplace. Keep an eye on the expansion of Tesla's Certified Pre-Owned program. Online sales of used Teslas are growing rapidly, offering buyers access to well-maintained vehicles with extended warranties through the Tesla platform. Overall, these developments promise a more seamless, sustainable, and secure online purchasing experience, aligning with Tesla's vision of democratizing electric vehicles through digital innovation.